It's no secret that this serum right here is my all-time favorite, holy grail exfoliating face serum that I never, ever, ever want to be without, and I rave about it all the time, and I know that this is an absolute favorite of many of you guys who watch my channel as well. This is by the brand Dermelect, one of my favorite brands. This is their Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Without exaggerating, this is pretty much magic in a bottle. The very first time I tried this, I woke up with the most amazing, super glowy, exfoliated, dewy, just more youthful and healthy looking skin. And I never thought there could be anything that would make this product work even better, because it's just amazing all by itself. Until the brand came out with a brand new product that when I use it in combination with this, oh my gosh, it has taken my skin to the next level of glowiness. So this is the brand new product from the brand Dermelect. They did send this to me to test out for free, and as you know, if you've watched my channel, I don't love every single product from this brand. I have shared the products I don't like, and then of course the products that I do like. However, I love this product. If you're like me and you love hydrating, glowy face serums that are just going to plump your skin up and make your skin look like you had the biggest glass of water, and make your skin look like you have on highlighter even when you don't have on highlighter. Now I have on makeup, so I do have on highlighter today, but I'm gonna show you what my skin looks like without any makeup. But if you are like me and you love face serums like that, then I think that you're going to absolutely love this brand new serum. This is Dermelect's brand new Rapid Repair Barrier Balancing Serum. This comes in the same nice glass container with the dropper that the Beauty Sleep Serum comes in. This is a clear serum. It is super duper silky when you apply it. This Rapid Repair Serum will instantly restore and reinforce your skin's natural barrier to combat any water loss or dehydration. So not only is this amazing serum going to deeply hydrate your skin and plump up your skin and give you that really beautiful glow, but the ingredients that are in here are going to help prevent any of that water loss and dehydration in the skin, which, you know, a lot of people think that they have dry skin, and sometimes they might not necessarily have dry skin. They might just have super dehydrated skin, and their skin just might be dying for something to drink. And that's what this serum can do for the skin. It will deeply, deeply hydrate the skin. It has a bunch of really amazing ingredients in it. It has a Japanese ceramide that's really good to help reinforce the skin's barrier. If you love niacinamide, it does have a small amount of niacinamide in it. Using niacinamide is really, really good for the health of the pores. It's one ingredient that I really, really enjoy using. This also has hyaluronic acid in it, which is also going to help with the hydration. This has green tea in it, which is very soothing for the skin. This also has aloe in it, which is also very soothing and hydrating for the skin. And then it also has prebiotics in it, which will help with that water loss and maintain that moisture balance in the skin. So if you look in the mirror and you feel like your skin just looks a little bit more wrinkly than it normally does, maybe your pores look a little bit larger than they normally do, maybe you're piling on moisturizer after moisturizer and you just still feel like your skin is feeling super, super dry and like the Sahara Desert, maybe you don't need another moisturizer. Maybe you just need a really good hydrating serum that's actually going to penetrate deep down in the skin. Using a product like this is going to help that moisturizer that you already love using. Instead of your moisturizer just kind of sitting on the surface of your skin, this type of product will help your moisturizer to even absorb into your skin even better. So I wanted to share with you how I've been using this amazing serum on my skin to just get that super plump, juicy, dewy glow. Now I also use this morning and or in the evening, and usually I use this in the evening only, but you know, sometimes I do use this during the day. We'll make it an evening routine, but of course, if you do decide to use it in the morning, of course, put on a sunscreen at the end. So the very first thing I like to do is I like to cleanse my face in the evening. I'll double cleanse. In the morning, I will just use one cleanser. Usually I'll just pick a gentle cleanser. Use whatever cleanser you love. You don't have to use these, but these are two of my gentle cleansers that I like to reach for, especially on a day that I know I'm going to use an exfoliator. I'm not going to use a glycolic acid cleanser or anything that's stripping on my skin if I know I'm going to be using my exfoliating serums. Oh, and I've also cleansed my face with my hands, and I also do not shave my face before I use this product, because shaving our face is also a form of exfoliation. So you don't want to shave and then put an acid on that freshly shaved skin like I have done before. So after my face is clean, I like to go in with a few drops of my all-time favorite Holy Grail Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. And as you can see when I apply this, this just absorbs into my skin so quickly, and it will give me that instant glow. And of course, when I wake up the next morning and I look in the mirror, my skin just looks so healthy and bouncy and juicy and hydrated. This is absolutely gorgeous. If you have any dead, dry skin, it helps to chemically and gently eat off any of that dead skin that's making your skin just kind of look tired and dull. And after you use this, it just reveals that beautiful, healthy, shiny, more youthful skin underneath. It's just, this is absolute perfection. I do like to let this absorb into my skin, maybe 2-3 minutes at the most, and then is when I will apply this serum. Now, I also like to apply this serum on damp skin, so I will mist my face with my all-time favorite, my Aven Thermal Spring Water, but just use whatever hydrating mist you like to use. Like I said, you don't have to use these products. I'm just sharing with you how I do these in my skincare routine. So I just put a really thin spray of this on my face, and then I will use, I guess, about a half a dropper full. Now, when I first got this, I was using like an entire dropper full because I just loved it so much, and I love the way it made my face just kind of feel almost tingly, not burning or anything like that, but it's as if I could feel, it's like I could feel little fingers inside, like just pushing the skin out, like plumping everything up. But you're really only supposed to, based on their instructions, put, I think, a drop on each cheek, a drop on the forehead, a drop on the chin, and I think a drop under each eye. It's super duper silky. It's like liquid silk, but then it absorbs into your skin so fast. And then I just put on a moisturizer, and you can use whatever moisturizer you want. This is the newest one from Paula's Choice. I've been testing this for a week. This is what I've been putting on my face just for the past week. Now, I don't know. My skin does seem like it's a lot glowier than normal, so perhaps using this as my moisturizer has been making a difference, but I like to really test things for a while before I share them with you. So I'll get back to you guys after I've been testing it a little bit longer and let you know my results and see, you know, does my skin still stay super glowy. But this is their Barrier Repair Advanced Moisturizer. Or I like to, of course, use my Aven, the Cicafe. If you have super duper dry skin, oh my gosh, if you use these two products and then you seal it in with this Aven Cicafe, whew, I wake up, my skin is just so moisturized, so glowy, it looks amazing. So it's super simple. You don't have to use the same skincare routine that I'm using. You can just keep your same skincare routine, keep the same products that you're already using. If you wanted to add this into the skincare routine that you're already using, just add it in with your hydration step after you put on maybe your treatment serums, but before you put on your moisturizer. So it's super simple to add into any skincare routine. I will leave the shopping link down below and my discount code. And remember, you never have to use my links or my codes. If you do decide to use them, I appreciate it very much. If you do use them, I do receive a referral commission, but again, no pressure to ever use my codes. If you try this out, leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts and how it worked for you. And if you already own this product, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of it. If you wanted to see another video on why this is my all-time favorite Holy Grail skincare serum, I will pop that other video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.